Right, I'll just show you how to stream audio, and this has changed slightly just since yesterday. Apple's new operating system. If I go to my home screen now, instead of saying iTunes, it now says music. So we click on the music. That's the record that's playing there. If I click on that, at the bottom here, they've made it hard to see again. It was a red triangle and 3 red circles, but you see there, you can hardly see it really. But if I click on there, we'll see there's a tick next to BMW 4, 5, whatever, and not the iPhone. That means whatever audio is playing on my iPhone, so long as you've got it set correctly on the audio system, the sound from your phone will come through the speakers in your car. Right, now then, I've turned it down on here, and I'm going to use this to turn the audio up and down. Can't play any music for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But here we go to media. You've got media there. Click on media, and you'll see it there. It's already on Bluetooth, so it's already set to Bluetooth. If you just knock that across there, you'll see there's a tick in Bluetooth. But if you've got anything else set, like you see auxiliary front, if that's on auxiliary front, when I select media, I'll just go back to nav. When I select media, it's showing auxiliary front, so I now have to get it to Bluetooth. So click to the left, turn up to the Bluetooth device you want, which is mine there, select that. It's now playing here. I'll turn this up, and then I'm going to turn it up on here. That's it. That's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.